Hi, welcome to automation-testing.in. In this video, we will see Python data types part 5. Okay, so as part of this, what we will see, the agenda is join method, case changing methods, starts with method, ends with method, and character type checking methods. So we'll see these 5 points. Okay, so join method. Join method will join the group of strings, that is list or tuple with the given separator. Okay, so syntax is str equal to separator dot join list or tuple. You need to give in the join a list or tuple, that is syntax. That then it will become a string. We can say reverse of split. Split is splitting the string into list. Now we are converting that list into string. Okay, case changing methods. The upper method will convert all characters to uppercase. Lower method will convert all characters to lowercase. Swap case method will convert all characters from lower to upper and all upper to lowercase. Okay, and title method will convert first character to uppercase in each word of a sentence. Okay, and the same way capitalize method will convert only first character to uppercase in a sentence. Okay, method will convert only first character to uppercase in a sentence, means the only starting point of that character will become capital. Okay, so starts with method. Starts with method will check whether the string is starting with the substring which we provided or not. If it is, it will true, otherwise it will give you false. The same thing ends with also same thing. The string is ending with the substring or not. If it is, then true, otherwise it will give you false. Character type checking methods. So is all num means alphanumeric. It returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. Is alphabets means if it is only alphabets, it will return true. If everything is digits, you need to use is digit. Is lower, it returns true if all characters are lowercase alphabets. Is upper means it returns true if all characters are uppercase. Is title. If it is title case, the string, then it will give you true. Is space. It returns true if given string contains only spaces. Okay. So we'll see everything by taking some examples. Let's go to Notepad++. So the previous one, string data type 4, and this is 5. I'll save this as a data type 5. Yes. So we'll see join method first. So in the join method, I'll say L equals to, I need to give a list. So list syntax is in the square brackets, apple, comma, is, comma, a, comma, fruit. So apple is a fruit, different elements inside the list. So now what I want to do, I want to join with a separator. Okay, so L equals to, again I'm giving underscore, it's a separator, dot join of, you need to give this L, and I'll print this L. We'll see what happens. Apple underscore is underscore a underscore fruit. Okay, whether it is a string or not, print, sorry, type of L, right? Yeah, this is str string. So we converted list elements into a string. Okay, we need to give with separator. What separator you need? I'll remove this separator and I'll not give anything. We'll see what happens. You see that there is no space. Apple is a fruit, and if I give some space, so now it will print normal thing. Apple is a fruit, right? So with this separator, it will convert all the elements joins into a single string. Yeah, that is called join. If you want to take another example, you can take. We have taken date, right? So date equals to, so 15/8/1947. So date equals to, the separator is, I am giving colon dot join of D, and I'll print the date. That's it. When you see this one, you see that 15/8/1947 string. So that's all about the join method. We'll see now casing change methods. Okay, I'll take one string. Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a programming language. So print s dot upper. That's it. If I say s dot upper, means it will convert each and every character into uppercase. You see that Python is a programming language, but everything is capital letter. When I say s dot lower and run the same thing, you see that everything is small. Even we have capital P, capital I, capital A, capital P, capital L. Those are also converted to lowercase. And again, print s dot swap case. Nice example. Then you can see. Looks very odd, but you see, capital P became small p, and the small characters became capital. You see that Python is a programming language. So it will swap upper to lower, lower to upper. And print s dot capitalize. Okay, s dot capitalize. You see that only the first character P, and apart from that everything became small. Actually we have I, A, P, L are capital, right? Those become small, and only the starting will become capital P. Okay, so if you are not giving also, just an example, we will change it to small p. You see that the first one became capital. Okay, that is about that. And I'll take another example to see this is equals to the same thing. Python is a programming language. So all are small alphabets. Okay, I want to check this is s dot title. Title means what we have given. This is called title. Actually, I have taken title. So I changed it to, if I take the same s, you will not see any difference. So that is the reason I have taken this one. And if you run this, you see that the title is Python is a programming language. Okay, so that is how you can see the casing changing methods. Now what we'll do, we'll take starts with method. So why we are using Notepad++? If you use any IDEs, Eclipse or PyCharm, the moment when you type s dot, it will give you all the options, title, everything. So you will not remember these things. So if you practice like this, if you keep and practice like this, you will remember all the methods available in this Python. Okay, so starts with method. So S is equals to Python is a programming language again. So print yes dot starts with, okay, Python. So it is starting with the Python, so it will give you true. You see that? True. The same thing mention true here. If I change it to capital P, so capital P, small p is different, right? So obviously it will give false. You see? False. So now, not only Python, it starts with py, small py, you can say. Yes, not only Python, the starting means it is starting with P, Py, Pyt, Pyh, Th, Pytho, something like that. Anything is, whether it is starting with those substring or not. That's it. Right, true. The same way, we'll see ends with. The same thing, we'll take example, print yes dot ends with the language. Right, it is the string is ending with the language. So obviously you'll get true. I did not close again this. You see, true. The reason is it is. And if I say the same thing, this is true. And this is also true. And if I say capital L, both are different, right? So obviously you will get false. You see, false. So this is false. And the same way, I'll take one more example. It is not only language, it is ending with age, right? So last characters. So obviously it will get true for you. You see that last is true. The reason is it is ending with age, right? So whatever it is age, age, gauge, engage, engage, language. So anything that is ending with, right? So that's all. So now we'll see another one is what character type checking methods. Okay. Print. I say James Bond 007 dot is all num, means is it alphanumeric? Yes, we have alphabets and what digits also, numerics also. So then obviously you will get last value true. You see that this is true. And if I say the same thing, I'll remove the 007 and we'll see what happens. Again true. So means alpha numeric anything. It is alpha, alphabets are numeric things. No, no problem. Okay. There is no rule that you should have some digits inside it for alpha numeric. And I'll take the same two things, but this is the different case. Is alpha. Is alpha. Here also is alpha. Means then what happens? The first one written false. You see that this is false and this is true. The reason is it should contain only alphabets, but we have digits. So that is the reason it is false. But coming to this James Bond, only alphabets. So I got true. So that is the difference between alphanumeric and alpha, means it is both. Is alpha is subset of this alpha numeric. Again, I'll remove James Bond from here, and is it is digit, and here I'll give 007, and here also is digit. Okay, it is digit. We'll see first one true and the second one false. Right, it is true. The reason is we have only digits, but here this is alphanumeric, not digit. So this is false. And is upper. Okay, print James Bond dot is upper. No, this is false. It's not upper, right? So false. Now I take the same thing. Might be boring. If I take the same James Bond, all capital, then uppercase, now you'll get the true. So same thing applicable other things also. Is lawyer, we can take the same thing. If I say is lawyer, here also lawyer. Here what happens? It will become true. It will become false. Okay. If I run this now, last values will be true, false. Okay. And we'll see one more thing. Probably last one. Print. I'll give some space. Dot is space. Right. Is it space? Yes, true. There is a space. Right. So this is true. And if I get the same thing with any other value except space, you'll obviously get false. You see that? False. So I'll change it to false. Okay. So that's it. We have seen that join method, casing change method, starts with method, ends with method, checking, type checking methods. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and do not subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates.